So in the pivot chart, I would want just to go for the clustered column. And when I choose clustered column, let me just select on it clustered column so that it can be able to present to me these sales or this data in a form that can be understood by, at a glance. When you look at it, you can always understand. Now, I want you to pinpoint something which is interesting here. Now, I've already brought in a pivot chart, and this pivot chart clearly shows us which item sold the highest or which item compared to the rest across the years from 2011 to 2014. Now, I want to do something so that you see. I want to go and narrow down to dicers and slicers. Now, when analyzing data using pivot tables, you do not have to worry about slicers and dicers, which are normally given in Excel. Now, when you are using pivot table and the pivot chart tool, it already has an incorporated slicers and dicers in terms of filters. Now, in our pivot chart here, down here you can see product group, and when I click on it, you can see I'm coming up with this range of products. I can decide to narrow down and compare sales from one product and the other. Now, how will I do that? I will just come and unselect all of them, then say, I want to compare the sale of coffee and the sale of alcohol. And when I confirm by clicking OK, you will see my chart has already changed. Can you be able to see that? These are the sales of coffee for the 4 years. This one is 2011. This one is 2012, 2013, and 2014, and you can see 2014 is the highest. Now, if you compare with alcohol, you can be able to see that the sales of coffee and alcohol, they are worlds apart. Coffee recorded very high sales. And if you are a boss, if you are the manager in charge in that firm or in that business, you are able to call down the person managing the alcohol department and ask them, what is the problem?